What is up, y'all? Ananookie Child here. Gonna see if the neighbor's horse is like Cucumber. Think one of these guys' names is Brownie, and the other one's name, I don't know. Oh, dang. Here, it's okay. You want a treat? Come here. I tripped and scared him. You want a treat, little guy? Come here. You want some cucumber? Come here. Come here, Brownie. Try that. Try that. That's cucumber. Homegrown cucumber. Oh, you like that, huh? You want to try that? Give that a try. Oh, yeah? You want some more? Come here. Yummy. Yummy, yummy cucumber. What do y'all think about that? You want some more? Come here. Come here, baby. Don't be shy. Come here. Come here. Look at that blue eyes. Look at those blue eyes. You're so pretty. Come here. You want me to throw it again? There you go. I'll lure you in. Can you smell it? Get that cucumber. You go find that cucumber. Come here. Come here. Come here. There you go. There you go. Come here. Come get you some cucumber. Come here, baby. Don't be shy. You're almost there. Come on, you're almost there. Come on. Really? You're gonna do me like that? Come here. There you go. There you go. Come. Oh. You want one? Here. Here. Yummy. There you go. Oh, you spit it out. There you go. Your little friend didn't want any more?